Divide 952 by 7 in long division method. 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting we get 2. So now this 2 is less than 7. So we put down this 5 and it is 25. 7 times 3 is 21. On subtracting we get 4. So now this 4 is again less than 7. So again we put down this 2 and it is 42. 7 times 6 is 42. On subtracting we get 0. So 952 divided by 7 is 136. So this much for today and thanks for watching.